YouTube, we're back at it again with another video. And on this video is gonna be the Kemei shaver. On the other video I had did, the gold Kemei 1997. I did really good, so I think I did really good, you know, so I got a lot of views on it, and I kind of want to see where this one takes. So I want to do a review on this. I had bought this like a week ago, I just haven't made a video on it, so I got off my ass and decided to make it. So let's see how this goes, guys. This is really my first time opening it. We got the wrap in there. The wrap. So I really haven't even opened it. It's my first time opening this. And supposedly it's water resistant or waterproof. I think it say waterproof. Yeah, it says waterproof right there. Waterproof, grade 4, washable. So I put a test on that. Really nice little box. Damn, that junk's small. It's really small. It ain't bad though. You can make it work. Pretty nice. A little gold. It's kind of small though. It's all right. It ain't that loud. I like the shine of it. Pretty cool. Got a little rose gold right there. Pretty nice. What else comes in the box? Instructions, how to take it off, how to clean it, all that maintenance. Comes with a little bag for it. A little bag for whenever you want to carry it. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Comes with another head. That's a plus. It comes with the charger. It just comes with the USB. We still need the little block. So, and it comes with brush. So it ain't bad. I like they gave an extra head for it. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try them out and show you how they shave.